when their days are green, they think about love, sunshine, flowers in a garden. Did I bump you, sir? I'm begging your pardon. Have you seen such a day? Let's begin it by starting and rolling down the hills with me. People who have short hair write short-haired songs, but when their hair gets long, they think about winding it around in daisy chains, waiting for the showers just to wash it in the rain. Have you seen such hair? Well, let the wind play as you're rolling down the hills with me. Songs about planes, but if that's not what you wanna do, well, you can jump aboard a bus, aboard a wooden canoe.